Alright, so today we're going to try to prove that line MN is parallel to CB, that's right there. And also while we're at it, we're going to try to figure out that 1/2 of CB is equal to line MN. Well, first we know that line MA is equivalent to MC. So since we know that this is an equal distance from angle A and angle C, that's M is a midpoint. Now we can do the same thing with N. See, N is an equal distance from B and A because parallel lines, not parallel, they're congruent lines, so that they're the same distance from A and B. So we know that N also a midpoint. And since we know that the midpoint connector theorem proves that if two midpoints, if you connect them, that they are parallel to this. So if line MN, because the midpoint connector theorem, it is equal to line CB. And if two lines are parallel, if that is parallel and you're using the midpoint connector theorem, then you automatically know that MN is half of CB. So